Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So if you want to see yourself in hyper-realistic AI-generated styles or avatars, in this quick guide I'll show you how to use the Glam AI app to turn your selfies into stunning, shareable content in just a few taps. So guys, you need to go to the App Store or Google Play, depending on your device, and download the app, of course. As you can see, I'm already in. So you can either sign up with email, Google, Apple ID, or just tap continue without signing up. So in my case, you can see it's available. I just logged in completely for free without the account. On the home screen, you'll find categories like AI avatars, fashion makeovers, and glow up filters. Tap on the feature you want to try. Let us, for example, choose this cybercore. As you can see, we'll be able to use this if we have a pro subscription. And after that, after going into the filter you want, you of course need to firstly tap on a plus and upload your photo, or you can take a selfie right inside the app. Glam AI will take a few seconds to process your image. Once done, you can swipe through different styles, adjust filters, or tap save. And after that, you can just press on save to download the media onto your file, the changed media. And that's pretty much it. It's very easy and straightforward to use. Uh, you can upgrade your selfies with artificial intelligence now. Whether it's for fun, fashion, or profile pics, Glam AI makes it effortless. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and check the description for links. Subscribe to the channel for more stuff like this. Thanks for watching.